Have you ever had an action camera or a point of view camera that you've set up, you're excited about going shooting for the day, and you come home to look at your footage only to find out that you've been shooting your feet or the clouds or something that you didn't even want to take a picture of? Well, we're Xplore cameras, and we've got a solution for that. Our Xplore cameras are a little unique because they come with a watch that shows you exactly what you're filming live view anytime you're looking to set up your cameras. Each of our watches allows you to manage up to 6 different cameras. You can start recording, you can take pictures, all while making sure that your camera angles and what you're wanting to film is actually what you're filming. Each Xplore camera is 1080p, 60 frames per second. It has a 16 megapixel picture, and it comes with a waterproof case that allows you to go down 60 meters. Your watch is waterproof all the way down to 60 meters as well. The Xplore camera comes with an OLED top screen that allows you to go through the menu. You can decide to film in video, in still pictures, burst shots, timed photography, timed videography. The Xplore camera also allows you to film upside down. So if you're flying on a drone, or if you're using a selfie stick and you're holding it underwater and you're trying to capture something underwater, you can reverse the OLED screen, so if you have the camera facing you and you want to read the screen better. Each Xplore camera comes with Wi-Fi, so it talks directly to your smartphone or your tablet. While you're on your tablet or your smartphone, you can upload your videos or your pictures directly to your social media feed, so you don't miss out on that opportunity to share your experiences with your friends. With the watch is completely waterproof up to 60 meters. It has an LED screen, which allows you to see your live footage from your cameras, but also works as a standard watch. It has timers, stopwatch, alarms. You can also change the colors of the numeric settings from any color of the rainbow. This is something that you can wear on a day-to-day basis, as well as use as a functional tool when filming. We would like to make these Xplore cameras available to everyone for a cost that's much less than our competitors. Every one of our supporters that buys a camera will come with the high-definition camera, the live view remote, the waterproof case. You'll come with a mount that allows you to use existing mounts that you may have for other cameras. Also, we have opportunities for you to get t-shirts, stickers. Camera supporters will actually get our cameras for about 33% less than what you're going to find in retail. We need your help. Xplore Cameras is working with its overseas manufacturers to get a large enough order to bring your costs down. Thank you so much for your support and helping make Xplore a reality.